Good morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, Mathematics, Chapter 3, Subtraction. What is meant by subtraction? Listen here.
Let us learn about subtraction. Manjeet and Azhar are playing together. Azhar has a collection of stamps with him. Let us look at their conversation.
Wow, Azhar, you have a good collection of stamps. How many stamps do you have?
Thanks, Manjeet. I had 84 stamps earlier, but I gave 37 stamps to my younger brother.
It means you have 37 stamps less than 84. But how much exactly?
We use subtraction to minus or take out one amount from another. The terms subtrahend, minute, and difference are used while subtracting.
So 84 minus 37 is 47. Alright, that means I have 47 stamps with me now. Yeah, Manjeet, problem is solved.
Let us learn how to subtract three-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Consider an example. Subtract 104 from 427. Let us understand step-by-step method of subtracting the numbers placed in a tabular format. First, subtract the ones. So, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Second, subtract the tens. So, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Next, subtract the hundreds. So, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Thus, 427 minus 104 is equal to 323. Consider an example. Subtract 348 from 577. Let us understand step-by-step method of subtracting the numbers placed in a tabular format. First, subtract the ones. Since 7 is less than 8, borrow one 10 from the tens column and regroup. So, 10 ones added to 7 ones is equal to 10 plus 7, which is equal to 17. Now, subtract 8 from 17. That is, 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Second, subtract the tens. Since one 10 was borrowed by one's column, now 6 tens are left in tens column. So, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Third, subtract the hundreds. So, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Thus, 577 minus 348 is equal to 229. Point to remember, the column in subtraction method borrows its neighbor on the left whenever it is required. Did you know that subtraction with regrouping is also known as the borrowing method?
Next one, subtraction. We subtract 3-digit numbers. We subtract 3-digit numbers. My practice time 1. First one, subtract. My practice time 1. First one, subtract. First one, subtract. Question number A. 456 minus 3. 456 minus 3. First one, 3-digit numbers. Then second one, single-digit numbers. We subtract 3 from 456. Place value ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. 456 minus 3. Step 1, 6 minus 3. Step 1, we subtract ones place first. Subtract the ones. Here ones place is 6, here ones place is 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Listen here. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 3. That means 1, 2, 3. We cancel the 3 lines, remaining 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Then balance, here tens place 5, here hundreds place 4. Bring down the number 5, write in tens place. Step 2, subtract tens place. Subtract tens place. Here tens place is 5. Here empty. Empty means 0. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Listen here. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Next one. 4 minus here empty. So we take 0. 0 is nothing. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Step 3. Subtract hundreds place. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 400 minus 0 100. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So the answer is 453. 453. The number 3 subtract from 456 is equal to 453. The next one, B part. B part. 459 minus 8. 459 minus 8. We take the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Step 1, we subtract the ones place first. subtract the ones place, subtract the ones here. 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8. Draw the 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 sticks having minus 8. We cancel the 8 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 1 stick having 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Next one, 5 minus here empty place, so 0, here also 0. 5 minus 0. Next we go to the step 2, tens place. Step 2, here are tens place. Subtract the tens place. Subtract the tens. Here 5 tens minus 0 tens. 5 tens minus 0 tens. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Next we go to the hundreds place. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds place. Here our hundreds place is 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So our answer is 451. The number 8 subtract from 459 is equal to 451. And see part 698 minus 52. 698 minus 52. Ones, tens and hundreds. Step 1, subtract the ones. Subtract the ones. Subtract the ones. Here ones, 8 ones having minus 2 ones. 8 ones minus 2 ones. So 8 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 2. 1, 2. 2 lines are cancelled. Balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 6 lines having. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. The number 6 write in ones place. The number 6 write in ones place. Next step 2. Step 2, subtract the tens place. Subtract the tens place. Here 9 tens, here 5 tens. 9 tens minus 5 tens. 9 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We cancel the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines having. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. The number 4 write in tens place. Next we go to the hundreds place. Here 100 place is 6 only having. Then another place is 0. So 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Step 3. Subtract hundreds place. Here 100 place is 6 minus 3. 600 minus 0 hundreds. That means 6. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. So our answer is 646. 646. The next one, D part. 451 minus 39. First we see the ones place. Here ones place is 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 is not possible because 1 less than 9. 1 less than 9. 1 is the smallest number, then 9 is the largest number. Our rule is larger number minus smallest number. So 1 minus 9 is not possible. Borrow 110 from 10th place. Okay, borrow 1 means 4. Borrow 1 already 1 is carrying. So here 11. 1 becomes 11. 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 is equal to. Here is possible 11 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 9. 9 lines are cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Balance 2 having 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. The number 2 write in ones place. Next we subtract the tens place. Step 2. Subtract the tens place. Here tens place 5 borrow 1 is equal to 4. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. The number 1, that means 110, write in tens place. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Next hundreds place. Step 3. Our hundreds place value is equal to 400 minus nothing. Minus nothing means 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. The 400 write in hundreds place. So our difference is 412. 412. The next one, D part. (845 minus 18). D part 845 minus 18. Write the place value. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First we subtract the ones place. Step 1. Here our ones place is 5 minus 8. Ones place is 5 minus 8 is not possible because 5 less than 8. 5 is the smallest number, 8 is the greatest number. So we want to largest minus greatest. So borrow from 110 from 10th place. Here 5 having, so 5 ones. 1 tens, 5 ones, that means 50 ones. So 15s. 5 becomes 15. 5 becomes 15. Here 4 borrow 1 means 3. 4 borrow 1 means 3. Listen here. First we subtract the ones place. Here ones place is now 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 minus 8. We strike out the 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. The number 7 write in tens place, ones place. The next one, step 2. Subtract the tens place. Here tens place 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. That means 2. 3 minus 1 means 2. The number 2 write in tens place. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next we go to the step 3. Step 3, hundreds place. Here our hundreds place is 8 hundreds minus nothing. Minus nothing means 0. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8 hundreds. The 8 hundreds write in hundreds place. 8 hundreds write in hundreds place. Here our difference is 827. 827. Next one, third one. Write in column and subtract. Write in column and subtract. Write in column and subtract. ये बात 560 from 617. 560 from 617. Solution: 560 from 617. Here largest value is 670, smallest value 560. Write in column. Write in column means horizontal wise. Write in column means vertical wise. So first we arrange the given numbers vertical wise. 617. 617. From, that means minus. From, that means minus 516. Subtract 516. Ones, tens and hundreds. Write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds. First we subtract the ones place. Step 1. Here our ones place is 7 minus 6. Here our ones place is 7 minus 6 is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So number 1 write in ones place. The next we go to the tens place. We subtract the tens place. Our tens place value is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 because both are equal. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next we go to the step 3, hundreds place. Step 3, hundreds place. Here our hundreds place is 600 minus 500. 600 minus 500. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. The 1 write in hundreds place. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So our difference is 101. Our difference is 101. The next B part. B part. From 750. 250 from 750. 750 is the largest number. Our question part is B. 250 from 750. First, we arrange the numbers vertically. 750 minus 250. 750 minus 250. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. That is step 1. Subtract the ones place. Or ones place is 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. It is a 0 property. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next we go to the tens place. Step 2. Tens place, subtract the tens place. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. It is a itself property. The next one, 7 minus 2. Step 3. 7 minus 2. That means hundreds place 700 minus 200s. 7 minus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 2. 2 lines cancel. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Balance 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds right in hundreds place. 500 right in hundreds place. Next one. C part. C part. 462 from 584. Solution. First we arrange the numbers vertically. 462 from 584. So 584 from minus 462. Next we write the place values. Here are place values. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Here ones place is 4. Here 2. First we subtract the ones place. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 1, 2. That means 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The next one, 8 minus 6. Step 2. We subtract the tens place. Here tens place is 8 tens and 6 tens. 8 tens and 6 tens. 8 tens minus 6 tens is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens minus 6 tens. We cancel 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 2 tens. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. The next one we go to the hundredths place. Step 3. Here our hundredths place is 500 and 400. 500 minus 400 means 100. 500 minus 400 means 100. 100 writing hundreds place. So our difference is 122. Our difference is 122. The next one homework part. My practice time. 1. The first Roman. E, F, G, H. First Roman E, F, G, H. Second Roman also E, F, G, H. Second Roman also E, F, G, H. Then third Roman D, E, F. D, E, F. Fourth Roman fully. Fourth Roman fully. Page number 36. Thank you, Tom.